Qualities and role of a school counselor. Pay 8. B. Odisha B.Ed and Education Honors. Qualities and role of a school counselor. 1. Introduction. In today's complex and challenging educational environment, a school counselor plays a crucial role in fostering the overall development of students academically, emotionally, socially, and psychologically. With the increasing diversity of learners in schools across Odisha and India, the role of a school counselor is not limited to merely giving advice, it involves scientific guidance, emotional support, and life skill development of learners. A school counselor is a trained professional who helps students explore and understand their interests, emotions, talents, and challenges and assists them in making informed decisions. The counselor works in collaboration with teachers, parents, and the community to create a safe, inclusive, and growth oriented school environment. In this answer, we will deeply examine the qualities and roles of a school counselor, especially within the context of Odisha's educational system based on the B.Ed. Curriculum Guidelines. To meaning of a school counselor. A school counselor is an educational professional trained in guidance and counseling who works within the school setup to identify students' academic, emotional, social, and behavioral needs and helps them through structured counseling processes. Insert definition. School counseling is a planned and organized service provided by qualified personnel to help students in their personal, educational, and vocational development. 3. Objectives of school counseling. To promote mental well-being and emotional balance. To help students develop life skills and decision-making abilities. To assist in academic improvement and career planning. To prevent school dropouts, behavioral problems, and emotional issues. To build a healthy school climate and address special needs students. 4. Essential qualities of a school counselor. A school counselor should possess a unique blend of personal attributes, professional skills, and ethical sensitivity. Below are the key qualities expected of an effective counselor. A. Personal qualities. 1. Empathy. The ability to understand the feelings and emotions of students without being judgmental is one of the core qualities. Empathy helps build trust and rapport with learners. 2. Patience. Students come with diverse problems, and some may take time to open up. A counselor must be calm and composed during sessions and give the student space and time. 3. Integrity and confidentiality. Confidentiality is the cornerstone of counseling. The counselor must be trustworthy, ethical, and maintain secrecy about the student's issues unless there is a risk to life or safety. 4. Good communication skills. Counselors must have strong verbal and nonverbal communication abilities to interact effectively with students, parents, and school authorities. 5. Non-judgmental attitude. A counselor must accept students unconditionally, irrespective of their caste, gender, socioeconomic status, religion, or behavior. 6. Sensitivity to diversity. In Odisha, many students come from tribal, rural, or marginalized backgrounds. A counselor must be sensitive to linguistic, cultural, and social diversity. 7. Emotional stability. Handling others' emotional burdens can be stressful. A good counselor should be emotionally resilient and self-aware. B. Professional competencies. 1. Knowledge of child psychology. Understanding child development, mental health issues, and adolescent psychology is critical for diagnosing problems and planning interventions. 2. Guidance and counseling techniques. Mastery over various counseling approaches like directive, non-directive, eclectic, and skills such as active listening, questioning, paraphrasing, reflecting feelings, etc. 3. Assessment and evaluation skills. Knowledge of using psychological tools and techniques to assess intelligence, aptitude, personality, interest, etc. 4. Record maintenance. Proper documentation of counseling sessions, pupil inventories, and progress reports. 5. Planning and organizing programs. Ability to plan, implement and evaluate guidance and counseling programs, awareness drives, or emotional well-being workshops in schools. 5. Roles of a school counselor. The roles of a school counselor are multifaceted and depend on the needs of the school and students. These roles can be broadly categorized under the following heads. A. Educational guidance role. Assisting students in selecting appropriate subjects or streams. Helping in identifying learning difficulties and suggesting remedies. Supporting teachers in inclusive education practices for children with special needs. Encouraging good study habits, motivation, and academic planning. Conducting remedial programs for underachievers. Example: in a tribal school of Kandhamal district in Odisha, the counselor identifies students struggling with English due to language barriers and organizes bilingual support classes. B. Vocational guidance role. Helping students understand their strengths, aptitudes, and interests. Providing information on career options, courses, and entrance exams. Organizing career fairs and inviting resource persons. Guiding students for vocational training, polytechnic, or self-employment options. Example: a counselor in a government high school in Bhubaneswar conducts a career awareness session for class 10 students about vocational education in ITIS. C. Personal social counseling role. Supporting students in emotional or behavioral problems like anxiety, bullying, anger, loneliness, etc. Providing grief counseling or trauma support in case of accidents or family deaths. Promoting healthy relationships, respect for diversity, and peer harmony. Preventing and addressing issues of substance abuse, child abuse, cyberbullying, etc. Example: a class 9 girl shows signs of depression after being teased due to her tribal accent. The counselor helps her regain confidence through emotional support and assertiveness training. D. Coordination role. Working as a link between students, teachers, parents, and community agencies. Referring serious cases to mental health professionals or child protection officers. Conducting parent-teacher meetings, seminars, and awareness programs. Collaborating with NGOs, health workers, and educational officers. E. Administrative and leadership role. Developing and executing school counseling policies. Maintaining counseling records and student profiles. Leading mental health clubs, life skill training programs, and adolescent education sessions. Serving in school development committees, SDC, for planning student welfare activities. 6. Specific challenges faced by school counselors in Odisha. Lack of trained personnel in many government schools. Heavy workload on teachers assigned with counseling duties. Language and cultural barriers in tribal and rural regions. Stigma and lack of awareness about counseling. Insufficient infrastructure and private space for counseling. 7. Strategies to enhance the role of counselors. Recruit full-time trained counselors in all secondary schools. Include counseling training in B.Ed and D.L.Ed. Curriculum. Conduct regular capacity building programs for teachers. Launch statewide awareness campaigns about mental health and school counseling. Use digital platforms to deliver counseling services in remote areas. 8. Role of B.Ed. Students and teachers in counseling. B.Ed students should learn and apply basic counseling skills during internships. Teachers should act as first level counselors and refer complex cases. Emphasis on compassion, observation, and early identification of problems in students. 9. Conclusion. A school counselor is a friend, philosopher, and guide who walks beside students during their most vulnerable and defining years. The school counselor's role has expanded from merely providing academic or career advice to becoming a support system for the emotional, social, and mental well being of students. In Odisha's diverse educational setting, the role becomes even more critical. The counselor must serve as a bridge between the student's home language, culture, and the school's formal academic demands. With proper training, institutional support, and the right mindset, school counselors can positively transform the school climate, ensure inclusive growth, and help each learner reach their fullest potential.